Want to ditch Spectrum TV but keep your internet? It's generally a straightforward process of plan modification, not a full disconnection. The key is understanding Spectrum's bundle structure. They offer triple play bundles combining TV, internet, and phone services. They also offer standalone plans. Canceling TV simply downgrades you to an internet only plan. This usually means no extra cost beyond your regular internet rate, which might be around $49.99 per month for 200 Mbps set in many areas. First, confirm your current plan and contract details. While most are month to month, some promotions lock you in for 12 to 24 months. If you cancel early with a contract, you might face early termination fees, potentially up to $100 to $200. However, there's typically no cancellation fee for month-to-month plans. You'll also need your account number and possibly ID for verification. Spectrum's app or website are the easiest ways to initiate this cancellation or plan change. Live chat and phone support are available as backups if needed. After canceling TV, the most important step is returning leased equipment. This includes cable boxes and remotes. Spectrum provides prepaid labels for free shipping. Make sure to return everything within 30 days to avoid hefty charges, which can be $150 or more. Non-returned items are automatically billed. Also, there's usually a one-time activation fee of around $9.99 if applicable, but not a cancellation fee if you're on a non-contract plan. Looking ahead, cord cutting is accelerating. Spectrum is adapting by promoting internet-only options. As streaming becomes more dominant, traditional TV bundles might phase out entirely. There will be increased pressure to reduce or eliminate ETFs. And environmentally, Spectrum aims for high equipment return rates to minimize e-waste. By 2026, the move is towards offering more flexible plans with zero ETFs. Remember to review your account carefully to avoid any unexpected charges. Confirm the cancellation and return of your equipment and confirm there are no further charges.